Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent, and we've got an interesting vehicle here because I know for a fact that these are very hard to find now, especially with this specification and in this condition and mileage. Very difficult to find because this is a 2010 February Nissan Elgrand NE51. Which means that this is a 3.5 litre V6 petrol automatic with a selectable 2- and 4-wheel drive system. So it's 4-wheel drive as well as 2-wheel drive. This vehicle's ideal for towing a caravan. It would be lovely for towing a good sized caravan. You can buy the tow bars for these in the UK, and really would be a brilliant towing vehicle. So. This has got indicator door mirrors, privacy glass, rear spoiler, twin sunroofs. Now that's the rare thing. After 2007, you rarely saw these cars with twin sunroofs. They didn't exist. And I've had customers have deposits lodged with me, searching for in the auctions for them, for many, many, many months to find the right car with this spec. Because this car has got the twin sunroofs. It's got the power sliding doors. It's got 360 all-round view, sky view cameras. It's got all-round parking sensors, so there's no excuse for bumping it. It's got the Nissan optional 18-inch alloy wheels with radial tyres. Factory option speed adaptive radar cruise control. It's just absolutely bristling with specification. Dealer option power curtains. Dealer option approach lighting. Got half leather seats, as you can see. It's a non-smoker's interior. Got dealer option floor carpets, climate control, ABS, VDC, front airbags. So it's got everything on it. Got the original carpets all the way through the vehicle, and all the makers' recalls have been completed. 51,000 miles with full history. So 82,000 kilometres, 51,000 miles. It's got its life still in front of it. So if anybody is interested in this vehicle, they can get in direct contact with me. The numbers are there on the advertisement, also on my YouTube channel, and also in the video itself. You can see all my details there. And I provide the opportunity for individuals to buy these cars at the same price that I would pay if I was buying this car myself. This is not your average Japanese import. This is the real deal. This is the proper car with a good history behind it. It just hasn't been peeled off a Japanese lamppost as an accident repaired car. This is not the usual thing that normally comes to the UK, I'm afraid. I have to say this is a very genuine, clean vehicle, and you can't steal the best cars. You have to pay what they cost in the auctions. I've been buying these cars and bringing them in from Japan for the past 20 years. And I know good ones from bad ones. So if anybody is interested in this car, they can contact me, and I'll gladly explain and guide you through the process. I stay beside my customer all the way through to registration at the DVLA. I've got a 20-year track record, and I've thousands of customers throughout the whole of the UK, from Orkney between Scotland and Norway, right the way down to the Isles of Jersey. In fact, I've got customers through the Caribbean, Africa, all over the place. So all over the world, but mainly in the UK. Northern Ireland, I've 2 customers now taking delivery of vehicles in Northern Ireland. One of those is had a Nissan Elgrand as well. So if anybody's interested, contact me. I'll gladly take you through the process. Look forward to speaking to you. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and a hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.